I'm Anthony Forrest, the president of Steel Cod, and I'm here with John Beresford, our VP of Sales, ready to discuss all things appliances. All right, John, AI. I don't know if you're familiar with AI, but Samsung is putting it out there with their Pro Cooking in these wall ovens that have a camera on top and are going to give you a whole bunch of information about the food you've already put in. So apparently you change the recipe mid-flow based on what it's... I mean, it feels like it's offering a whole bunch of stuff that either people aren't asking for or aren't going to use or might find mildly irritating. I love the idea of the camera on top to see your food, but the AI part, it might push people away from these models. What do you think?
Yeah, 100%. Listen, eventually technology like this might be here, right? But right now, it definitely isn't. And look, this is where Samsung really just keeps making the same mistakes. You know, AI Pro Cooking isn't a bad idea, right? It's what I would argue is that it's a premature one, just like always with Samsung, right? Premature technology is dangerous because it doesn't get debated on the floor. It just gets dismissed out of pocket, right? When it's so new, it's really irrelevant at this point. And that's the point, is it gets put on the floor. Salespeople look at it and say, nobody's ever going to buy this. I'm going to get laughed out of if I pitched it. So I'm not even going to bring it up in conversation. And that's what you see happen all too often when Samsungs of the world just try to go a little bit too early with an idea.
Now, with this model specifically, because the idea of the camera on top so you can see what's going on in the oven without having to open the door or look through the glass, that sounds great. Would you lead with that and say, listen, just kind of ignore the AI stuff and be glad you have a camera?
I mean, I'm sure that's what a lot of salespeople that want to pitch this product probably resort to. And honestly, I don't blame them. You know, when you look at this thing, really what Samsung is saying here, Samsung's basically saying that cooking is failing at a point where cooking is not failing, you know, is people don't mess up dinner because the oven can't recognize food, right? It messes it up because they don't preheat long enough, or they overcrowd pans, or they guess on their timing, or they don't understand the way that heat works, right? AI doesn't fix any of those basic things first. And AI is basically skipping past all of those things and saying it doesn't matter if you screw all these things up, AI is going to fix it, right? And then when the technology skips all that common sense stuff, people are going to stop taking it seriously, right? And they don't.
So you're not saying skip these models, but you're going to have some hurdles when it comes to talking to the customers about it.
Boy, yeah, I would say, listen, I mean, customers are going to laugh this off if you can't find a good way to position it, and good luck positioning it this way, right? Because it's too early in the conversation, right? And in the way that people cook right now, right? And it's certainly not in a mean way, right? It's more in a way of, why would anybody need that sort of way, right? I mean, the moment that you say this oven can recognize your food and adjust automatically, it just doesn't sound helpful, right? And in fact, it sounds completely unnecessary. It's almost like the technology is just looking for a job to do, right? And like, once a customer decides something's unnecessary like that, the conversation's over. I mean, that's it. You don't have even a chance to walk them back from that. So if I'm a salesperson that's trying to pitch the product because I like the product, I just don't like this component, I'm glossing right over it. I'm laughing right along with them because I'm trying to protect my sale, and I'm really trying to protect them against a decision that they're just not ready to make.
It's a little too early and may not be useful. That's a tough one to overcome, but if you skip it, you skip it. Thanks for listening. We drop a new episode every Monday to Friday. Don't forget to follow us so you never miss an episode wherever you listen to podcasts.